Kalikasan, kayamanan, kagandahan, kabuhayan. Ay, salidumay, salidumay, diway. Ay, salidumay, salidumay, diway. Yaman lupa, yaman tubig, yaman puno, yaman hangin, yaman tao, yaman diwa, yaman malay, yaman kaliwa. Ay, salidumay, salidumay, diway. Ay, salidumay, salidumay, diway.
The Salidumay is a traditional folk dance originating from the Cordillera region in the Philippines, specifically among the Ifugao and Kalinga tribes. Typically performed during festive occasions, rituals, and community gatherings, showcasing the rich cultural heritage and storytelling through intricate footwork, rhythmic movements, and vibrant costumes, often accompanied by traditional music played on instruments like the gong and bamboo flutes.